Hi, everybody. It's Nancy. I want to talk to you today about relocation. Relocation is important for you if you're a parent who's thinking about moving more than 50 miles from your current residence. You also want to make sure that you're going to be at least 60 days gone. So, for example, if you're just going on vacation, and actually the statute allows for you that if you're going to go to school for a short period of time, you could actually go to school and that would be okay. That would be outside of the statute. This is for somebody who's moving their principal place of location. They're getting a new job. They're going to a new state. They're going to a new country, wherever you're going. But a lot of my clients are getting a new job. They're seeking the support of extended family members. So there's a lot of different reasons why you might seek relocation. The goals under the law are that you're at least 50 miles from your principal place of location, and that it's going to be for at least 60 days. So that if you're going to be gone more than 60 days, you've got to file this petition for relocation. So there's a couple of ways that you can do it, and one is by getting agreement from the other party. So if you're the parent that's moving, then you want to approach the other parent and say, look, I've got to work something out. I need to move. I've got this great job offer, but we've got to reduce that to writing and revise the parenting plan. This is what it's going to look like after I move. So you can still see Joe and Mary, and this is what we're going to do after I move. And if they're in agreement with that, then that's terrific. That would be the ideal way to go. And of course, as we all know, some parents aren't quite in agreement with that. So you may have to actually file the petition and go ahead and get that filed and get that served. If you have an agreement by the other parent, you still have to get the parenting plan filed in the court. So the most important thing is that you're getting permission from the court. You can do it by the agreement, get that filed in court, make sure the court says, yes, I've got it, have a nice day, drive through, enjoy your move. The other way to do it is when the other parent is objecting, and of course the objection has to be reasonable. So you go ahead and file your petition and show your new address, show your new phone number, and you talk about why you're relocating. Are you getting a new job? Is it because you have extended family members that are going to be able to help support you between what you're doing and raising children and the things that you need to be more successful? So there's those reasons why you're going to relocate should be in the petition. The law also requires some boldface language that belongs in the petition, so that has to be in there. It's a really, really technical statute, so you want to make sure that you're following all of those provisions that are required under the law for this statute. And if you're not following those provisions, then you can be dismissed because you didn't follow one of those technical requirements. You also can run into contempt and you can run into sanctions if you move before you have permission from the court. So the most important thing is making sure that you have permission from the court to go ahead and move. I have a lot of people that come in and say, oh, I already moved. Yeah, that's not a good thing. So make sure if you're going to move that you get this petition done either by the agreement or by objection. It's one or the other, but get it filed. And I always recommend to my clients that if you're going to move in the summertime, ideally you would want to move in February, or at least go ahead and file the petition in February. And that gives us time because under the law, it says you're supposed to have 30 days and you can get a priority hearing. So the law is you get a priority hearing for 30 days. And then practically speaking, it could be 60 days. It could be 90 days. You have to look at the schedules of everybody involved. You have to look at the judge's schedule. There's a lot of things that come into play in terms of whether you actually get the 30 days. It could be that somebody's on vacation, that the court is closed. I mean, there's a number of reasons why. But I always advise my clients, if you're going to move in the summertime, that ideally you want to try to get your petition filed in February, and that gives you plenty of lead time to get your petition filed, get the response filed, and then get that hearing date set so that you're successful and that you're able to move when you're ready to move. So go ahead and make sure you do that. And if you get the objection, like I said, you get the 30-day hearing, and the judge will give you that initial ruling as to whether you can or cannot move. And as long as you've covered the basis with the parenting plan and you've done everything that you've complied with, then, like I said, just make sure you get the judge's ruling, and then you're good to go as far as your move. So good luck with the move, guys. And that's relocation. If you have any trouble with that or you're looking for a little bit of assistance or help, then please let me know. I'm here to help you. I'm of service to you guys. So anyway, thanks.